Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to transfer ownership of a Discord server. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord application into your device. Now, of course, first just simply go to your server by selecting your server on the left side of the screen. And now once you are on your server, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the server name at the top. So go ahead and select it. And now from here, you will have an option over here, server settings. So go ahead and select that. And now over here, you will have an option category as people over here. And you can just simply go for the members. Now here on the members tab, you should be able to see all of the members that you have. Now over here, just simply go to one of your members that you want to join in or transfer the ownership, and select the three dots over here on this member more option. And as you can see, you will have an option over here, transfer ownership. So you go ahead and select that. And from here, as you can see, that this transfer ownership cannot be undone. And if you acknowledge this one, you should be able to select transfer ownership over here. And pretty much from here, the leader will be them and you will no longer have ownership. Well, you still can, but you could be an admin or the highest rank of the Discord, but you won't have any ownership anymore once you have transferred it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.